What if I told you there are creatures on Earth right now that don't seem to age, ever? Imagine being able to heal yourself endlessly, defy disease, or even live forever, biologically speaking. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into the mysterious world of immortal animals. These aren't your average pets or backyard critters. These creatures have found biological loopholes in the rules of aging. Get comfy, hit that like button, and let's explore 5 animals that might just hold the secrets to living forever. First up, meet Turritopsis dornii, aka the Immortal Jellyfish. This tiny jelly, barely the size of your pinky nail, lives off the coast of Italy and maybe in your nightmares if you fear tentacles. What makes it immortal? Well, unlike us, this jellyfish doesn't just age, it reverses its age. When threatened, sick, or old, it can revert its adult cells back into their juvenile state, like turning into a baby version of itself, and start life all over again. This process is called transdifferentiation, and scientists are obsessed with it. Imagine if you could just hit restart on your body whenever things started to go downhill. Break your arm? Reset. Midlife crisis? Reset. Bad haircut? Reset. Now, while they can technically avoid death by aging, they're not invincible. Predators, disease, or a bad day in the ocean can still wipe them out. So no, you can't ride jellyfish immortality into the next century, yet. Next on our list is the Hydra, not the evil Marvel organization, but the real-life freshwater polyp that's, well, basically immortal. Hydras don't age, like at all. Their secret? Continuous regeneration. Their stem cells are always active, constantly replacing and repairing tissue. In fact, scientists found that hydras could, in theory, live forever unless something eats them. Think of it like a car that rebuilds itself while you drive. New tires, engine, everything, all without a mechanic. They don't have hearts or brains, but they have got the superpower of eternal youth. And here's the kicker. They might help us unlock real anti-aging treatments one day. Meet the Plenarian Flatworm. It doesn't just heal, it rebuilds. Cut it in half. Now you've got 2. Cut it into 20 pieces. Congrats. Now you're a flatworm army general. Seriously, these guys make Wolverine look lazy. Their secret weapon? Pluripotent stem cells. Cells that can become any type of cell. And scientists have discovered something crazy. Some Plenarians don't show any signs of aging over time. None. They may even reset the aging clock with each regeneration cycle. This makes them a hot topic in longevity science. Researchers are studying how these mechanisms could apply to human tissue repair. Imagine one day being able to regrow a lost finger, or even reset your own aging. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this one might make it real. Let's head north, way north. Deep in the Arctic Ocean swims a creature so slow, so ancient, it makes tortoises look like teenagers. The Greenland Shark can live over 400 years. That's older than the United States. That means some of these sharks were born before the Declaration of Independence was signed. George Washington? Just a toddler. How do they do it? Cold temperatures, slow metabolism, and very lazy lifestyles. These sharks grow just half an inch per year. They move slowly, eat slowly. Basically the Arctic's chillest grandpas. Scientists believe their longevity is due to a combination of low activity and genetic factors that limit cell damage over time. Some even have special proteins that resist age-related decay. These guys are literally swimming time capsules. And finally, lobsters. Delicious and mysterious. You've probably heard the myth. Lobsters are immortal. But is that true? Well, kind of. Lobsters don't age like humans. They don't lose strength or fertility with age. In fact, they often get bigger and stronger. Their secret is an enzyme called telomerase, which repairs their DNA every time their cells divide, something human cells can't do forever. But, and it's a big but, lobsters aren't truly immortal. Eventually, molting, their way of growing, becomes too energy intensive. If they can't molt, they die. So while they defy aging in a lot of ways, they're still bound by biology. Still, lobsters aging backwards while we get back pain from tying our shoes? Unfair. So what do these creatures have in common? Regeneration, resistance to decay, genetic tricks we're only beginning to understand. While we humans might not live forever, yet studying these animals could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, aging, and even how we treat chronic diseases. From jellyfish that reverse age to sharks that swim through centuries, nature is filled with reminders that aging isn't as simple or as inevitable as we once thought. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell us in the comments. Which of these animals would you want to be reincarnated as? Until next time, stay curious and stay young at heart.